With Critigen's Lemur platform, field teams can complete work management workflows entirely from the Lemur map integrated into their work management app. Lemur is a geoenrichment platform that unifies the information in your asset management system with essential location information and asset information from your corporate GIS. Lemur can be inserted into any mobile work management app, from commercial vendors to in-house bespoke solutions. I'll be showing how a field tech can use Lemur to quickly find the location and asset in need of maintenance, find additional relevant information from surrounding assets, and close the work order when complete. When I open my map, I see all the work order information and the GIS data for the portion of the state's roadways I'm responsible for. An administrator has configured Lemur to pre-cache the GIS data that I need and update it on a scheduled basis from their Esri ArcGIS. I'll zoom into the area where there are open maintenance items by clicking the map pin icon. Today I've got a port of entry sign to replace one that's failing, so I'll search my map to find that work order quickly. I'll just enter the first few letters. I get results for multiple things, so I'll use the filter to filter it down to just the work orders. Now, seeing the work order, port of entry sign replacement, when I tap it, the work order is highlighted on the map with a green highlight. I want to see what's going on the sign right now, so I'll turn off my cached GIS data for all ITS devices by turning off that layer group, and turn on the live stream by turning on the live ITS layer group fed through my Internet of Things connector. I then tap on the map and scroll through the information about this particular sign. I see that the status field is empty, and that tells me the sign is out, and I'll just need to head in that direction. I've just arrived at the location of my sign replacement. To get some extra detail, I switched the base map from the light gray that makes my roadways easy to see over to an online imagery service. This gives me a much clearer view of what's happening at this location. My dot shows that I'm clearly in the right place and I have the right work order. No need to remember work order IDs or find it in a list. As I zoom in, I see the map pins corresponding to the work order and the sign that I'm here to work on. The pins are configured to be rotated so that multiple pins in the same place are all visible at the same time. I also see that the functional location for this sign is shown, and all GIS information related to this sign, the roadway, and surrounding assets, giving me a great operational context for my service. Before I get to work, I'm going to review the information in the work order and the equipment that I'm going to service that's provided through my work management system. I click on the map pins and see the details of everything at this location. The sign, the highways, the functional location, and finally the work order. Before I start on the work order, I'm going to review the details of the sign. Again, I can use the filter to look only at the sign. And as I look at the data, I see that it was installed in 2003. Definitely time for a replacement. I return to the work order, and I could click View to take me right to the details page for this work order in my work management app. Now I'll do my repair. Once I've finished the repair, I'll return to the work order and complete my work reporting. This replacement is complete, so I'll choose Close Work Order, which is configured to send the host app a message to close the work order. And I'm done. The actions that are available are completely configurable and can interact with the host work management app. The Lemur platform's configurability allows configuration of all these things to meet your specific data model and business processes, including the work management objects shown, GIS layers shown, what fields get shown to users, and most important, which actions are available from each type of object to be launched from the map interface. Check out more features of Lemur in our other micro demos, and visit us at critigen.com/lemur for more information or to schedule a live session.